Hello everyone. This lecture is on the topic of intrauterine linear echogenicity seen on an obstetric scan, the differential diagnosis of the conditions, and essentially differential diagnosis of uterine septum versus synechia. So on the left you see an uterine septum, on the right you see synechia. So they have a similar picture on ultrasound. So how to differentiate them? So intrauterine linear echogenicity is shown by the arrow in the image may be due to one of these conditions: the uterine septum, synechia, amniotic band, or an amniotic sheet. So how to differentiate these will be discussed in this lecture. So if you'd like to listen to the lecture, please log on to sonoshare.in. Thank you.